So you can see I'm starting to build my son a little 3-foot mini half pipe. Gonna be 3 feet tall, 8 feet wide, and 20 feet long. Got an early start today, but I'm about to lose the shade and it's gonna get real hot again, but coming along. Nice little half pipe project. So I just ran out of 2x4s. I'm gonna go pick a bunch of them up. Gotta make handrails for this thing too. There's only a few short for that top platform, but other than that though, you can see she's coming along nice. A sweet little 3-foot half pipe here. Not too shabby, huh? So plywood is like 65 bucks a sheet right now for this 3/8 that I need to layer the top with, 4x8 sheets. I was like, hell no. I bought particle board. Mistake. I should have sprung for the expensive stuff. I don't know if you can see it, but that particle board snapped right there. And this one right here. All it needed to do was tighten down another inch, but it broke off anyway. With ease too, with ease. All right, we got the first layer on. Just 1/4 inch. I'm gonna do a couple layers of that. But it's about to rain. Put that on, and then the masonite. Second layer is accomplished. Gonna throw down masonite for the 3rd layer. And then it'll be done. My boy's ramp is done. How nice. Sun's setting right now. We're just gonna paint it now. Gonna paint it.